want to take Stemregen for the rest of your life.
Yeah, to be healthy
yeah.
and minimize all the problems.
Well, the question comes, I'm not saying your question, but that kind of question normally in society comes from our deep ingrained programming that you do something for your health only when you got a health problem. And if you get rid of the health problem, then you stop doing it because now you're fine. And then you've restarted the development of the problem and you will redo it when the problem is back. Once we understand that diabetes, every degenerative disease is like 15 years of development before it reaches the state of diagnosis. So now you've pushed the bar beyond the level of diagnosis. And the doctor tells you you're fine. No, it's like you're still far from optimal health. So the point is like, if we put the finger on the thing that allows you to regenerate to the point of being asymptomatic, why don't I continue to the point of reaching optimal health? And why don't I understand now that, well, if I support stem cells every day, then the health that I have today, I'll keep it for the next 20 years. So, and that's biohacking.